Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update PyCaret experiments for automated model selection, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update PyCaret experiments for automated model selection, begin by ensuring you have the latest version of PyCaret installed.
Open your command line or terminal.
Run the command pip install upgrade PyCaret. Next, open your preferred code editor or Jupyter Notebook. Import the necessary libraries by typing import PyCaret. Load your dataset using PyCaret. Make sure your dataset is organized into features and the target variable. Set up your PyCaret environment by using the setup function. Specify your dataset and target variable inside the setup function. Review the setup output for any necessary adjustments. Once the setup is complete, you are ready to initiate model selection. Use the compare_models function to evaluate multiple models. This function automatically compares the performance of all models available in PyCaret. You can pass additional parameters to customize your comparison. Explore the results, focusing on key metrics such as accuracy, precision, and recall. Identify the top performing models from the comparison output. For further analysis, you can select specific models using the create_model function. Adjust model parameters as needed based on your requirements. To finalize your model, use the finalize_model function. This captures the best model for future predictions. After finalizing, you can save the model using the save_model function. Provide a name for your model file for easy identification in the future. To make predictions with your saved model, load it using the load_model function. Pass your new data to the predict_model function to obtain predictions. With these steps, you have successfully updated your PyCaret experiments for automated model selection. Now, you can apply these skills to any machine learning project with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.